morning, students. This is Rohtaj Sharma, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today our topic is surface tension and capillarity. Surface tension क्या होता है? Surface tension is defined as the tensile force acting on the surface of a liquid in contact with a gas or on the surface between two immiscible liquids, such that the contact surface behaves like a membrane under tension. As shown in this figure, there is a molecule on the surface of liquid, and thus there will be forces acted, tensile forces acted on the surface of liquid in contact with a gas or on the surface between two immiscible liquids. That contact surface behaves like a membrane under tension. Surface tension is created due to the unbalanced cohesive forces acting on the liquid molecules at the fluid surface. सरफेस टेंशन क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं सरफेस के ऊपर, उनकी जो फोर्सेस होती है बैलेंस नहीं होती है. देयर विल बी मूवमेंट, सो देयर विल forces surface tension occur. Molecules in the interior of the fluid mass are surrounded by molecules that are attracted to each other equally. However, molecules along the surface are subjected to a net force towards the interior. The apparent physical consequence of these unbalanced force along the surface is to create the hypothetical skin or membrane. A tensile force may be considered to be acting in the plane of the surface along a line in the surface. Along the line of surface, contact line जो होगी वहाँ पे क्या एक टेंसाइल फोर्स कंसीडर करेंगे हम, ठीक है. और वहाँ पे जो हाइपोथेटिकल स्किन और मेम्ब्रेन होगी उसी को हम सरफेस टेंशन बोलते हैं. The intensity of the molecular attraction per unit length along a line in the surface is called as surface tension. The intensity of the molecular attraction per unit length along a line in the surface is called the surface tension. It is noted by a Greek letter sigma. The SI unit is Newton per meter. Very important topic है ये एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी. सरफेस टेंशन फॉर द मैकेनिकल स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल एज सिविल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ सरफेस टेंशन ऑन लिक्विड ड्रॉपलेट एंड बबल्स. Consider a small spherical droplet of a liquid of radius r as shown in figure. There is a droplet, spherical droplet we have to consider, जिसका रेडियस आ रहा है. On the entire surface of the droplet, the tensile force due to surface tension will be acting. Then there will be tensile force acting due to surface tension. Sigma is the surface tension of the liquid. Delta P is the pressure intensity inside the droplet. R is the radius of droplet. Let the droplet is cut into two halves. The forces acting on one half, say left half, will be tensile force due to surface tension acting around the circumference of the cut portion as shown in, and this is equal to the sigma into circumference, and sigma into 2 pi r. Pressure force on the area pi by 4 into d square, and is equal to delta p into pi r square. These two forces will be equal and opposite under equilibrium condition. That is, droplet is equal to pi minus p naught is equal to 2 sigma s by r, and bubble ei minus p naught is equal to 4 sigma s by r. A hollow bubble like a soap bubble in air has two surfaces in contact with air, and one inside and other outside. Thus two surfaces are subjected surface tension. These are some examples of surface tension we can do. Okay, thank you students.